Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're going for a little ride, a 600cc, the Kawasaki ER600. So that is where we're heading. Oh, fucking cyclists. Look at his teeth. Why are they just stopped? Like, I'm wanting to go, man. But yeah, anyway, I absolutely loved yesterday's video. I thought it was absolutely brilliant. So if you guys do like that type of video of me going out to like the countryside and kind of exploring and going to places that I've not been to before, please let me know, because there's so many other places that I can go, you know, and kind of have a bit of a laugh and, you know, have a nice ride up there, especially when I get my new bike as well. I can't wait till it happens, man. Like now, look, country road, let's have a bit of fun. Another moped. That's a strange looking moped, that looks old. But I bet it's two-stroke, and I bet it's got like fucking twice the amount of power I've got. A corner in a minute, I really can't wait to show you, because it's kind of like, it's like an S shape. It's absolutely brilliant. I love this corner. When I'm on my new bike, I'm gonna come flying around it. It's going to be brilliant. But here's the corner. It's a lot better on the other way around, but you've got this where you can get really far down, and then the same here, and it's just brilliant. Going a lot quicker, it's a lot more fun. Whoa, what the fuck? What the fuck? Dude! I could have died. I was literally not even looking. Motorway. That's a nice car, man. What is he doing? What a gimp. The smell of bonfires. We've got a nice hill coming up. Not really going to be nice for my bike, but oh well. So, the 600 is behind us. We've got my mate and his dad on the bike. We've got me leading the way. Because we're heading up to a racetrack, Donnington Racetrack. It's only like a 10-minute drive. So yeah, it's going to be a nice bit of a ride up to this racetrack, and I think we're going to head up to Belper to go to Alport again, which will be a nice ride. It's such a lovely day today. Literally so sunny. It's a nice day out for a little bike ride. Nice bit of country road driving. Such a nice bike. It's an ER6N, which is a bike behind us. Sounds really nice as well. It's only got a stock exhaust, but it still sounds really nice. But it is a beautiful day. Absolutely beautiful. So yeah, I don't know if you guys have seen, but I've actually got my phone mount set up. It's been set up for a long time, but I thought I'd just pop it on so we know where we're going. I'll tell you what, I never thought, out of the 4 or 5 years that I've known my mate and my ex and his dad and whatnot, I never thought that I'd actually be out on a bike ride with him, because he's always had bikes before, but I would never have thought that he would have bought a bike again. It's just crazy. So 2 miles on this road. It says continue for 2 miles. We are 10 minutes away. At least I'm not absolutely necking it. And this road's a bit more chill. Hey, cows. I think there's a dog herding them because they're all going in the same direction. This is a beautiful drive, honestly. I'm pretty sure most of the people that ride and race and whatnot have heard of Donnington Racetrack. Very popular, literally within the area that I live. But this is honestly a beautiful drive on a Sunday. It's amazing. We're only 8 minutes away now. Not too far. I love how even though I'm on a 50, you get nods by pretty much everyone. Donnington Park. There we go, we're getting signs for it already. That's how close we are. Nothing but fields. This is what we like to see. Seven minutes away now, not too far. Look at this. This is like, honestly doesn't feel like the UK. It kind of feels like we're in Scotland. Like all the brick walls and how old it looks. Kind of reminds me of like Edinburgh. Like look, it's beautiful. 4 minutes away now, not too far. Look at this for a beautiful road. This would be such a beautiful road if I had my new bike. I keep talking about it, but it's so beautiful, honestly. I'll have to come up here for a ride once I have got my new bike. Oh wow, look at that. Such a beautiful road. Oh, that is so smooth. That is beautiful. Donnington Park. We're in Donnington now. I don't know why it's not. That's Donnington Park. We're 2 minutes away. 1 minute away. Oh wow, red route. What does that mean? This is where the sat-nav took me.
Hey?
This is where the sat-nav took me.
Yeah, well, that's where it'll be, I think, when it's made. That place there. The probably goes round the back as well.
Yeah. Where do we go?
Turn round.
What?
Turn round.
We're going back then? Where are we going then? Are we going up to Alport?
Hey?
Where are we going? We're going back to yours or up to Alport?
I don't think you.
You can go up to Alport if you want.
Can do. Which way are you taking from here?
Alright, so the ride back wasn't really too much. We kind of just took a really chill ride on the way back. We saw a nice car. I saw a Focus RS and two R8s on the same road, which we're clearly coming to and from Donnington, which is quite cool, which I'll show you now. That's a nice car. I think his name's Dan. Oh, R8. Oh, another R8. What the fuck? And apart from that, we didn't really see anything else. It was kind of just a chill ride back, and then we headed up to Alport, but my camera died, so we just went up there by ourselves anyway, which is a really, really nice ride. So yeah, thank you all for watching this video. I'll catch you guys in the next one, which I'm not too sure what it will be. I kind of have a rough idea of what I want to do, but I'm going to keep it for the video anyway. So hope you guys have an amazing day, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.